221 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 28th October, according to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 28th October. 196 people recovered in last 24 hours. 7 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 42,968. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,402. Total recovered cases stands at 39,974. Total 592 deaths are reported till 20th October. Goa's recovery rate is 93.3%. Total samples tested till 20th October are 2,95,392. Breakup of total 2,402 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 75, CSC Sakri 90, CSC Pernam 60, CSC Walpai 45, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 91, USC Panji 121, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 37, PSC Petki 34, PSC Kandolim 113, PSC Kansarvarnam 21, PSC Korwai 88, PSC Kollem 88, PSC Chimbal 132, PSC Shiolem 93, PSC Pororem 141, PSC Mayam 19, Travelers by Road Flight Train 1. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 38, CSC Kankona 58, Urban Health Center, USC Markau 228, USC Vasco 112, Primary Health Center, PSC Pali 37, PSC Kansaulim 36, PSC Chinchanim 30, PSC Kortalim 97, PSC Kurtorim 90, PSC Lutolim 43, PSC Marsayam 43, PSC Kapam 51, PSC Sangam 33, PSC Shirora 27, PSC Darabandora 33, PSC Ponda 157, PSC Navilim 40. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 28th October are as follows. District North total capacity 469, current vacancy 375. District South total capacity 692, current vacancy 598. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.